Okay, so you purchased Genie Plus and now you want to book a reservation to go on a ride. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video, but if for some reason this is the first video you came to and you haven't purchased Genie Plus yet, click the video on the screen right here and I'll show you exactly how to do it and you can come back to this one. So let's get started. Okay, so when you open your Disneyland app, in the bottom right-hand corner are 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that and click on My Genie Day. At the very top left, go ahead and click Tip Board, and over here is where it'll show you all the available lightning lanes to book for the day. I personally like to toggle on the little switch where it'll show you just the Genie Plus rides. Otherwise, you have every ride in the park, which you may or may not want to see. So I always just toggle that on so that I can see just my Genie Plus options. You'll also notice right under where it says Tip Board in My Day, you'll see the park. So you need to make sure that you're in the right park. So if you're in Disneyland, select Disneyland. If not, just hit Change Park and select California Adventure Park. Okay, so once you've chosen your park and you've maybe toggled that on so you can just see the Genie Plus selections, you can scroll around to look at what rides are available to book and at what time. So it'll give you a time, the earliest return time available. So go ahead and scroll through. For the purposes of this example, I'm going to go ahead and book Autopia. So I'm going to click on Autopia where it says Book Experience. Then the next thing I need to do is confirm my party. So make sure you check off everybody who wants to book that particular ride at that particular time and then hit Confirm Party. And once you've confirmed your party, it'll give you a page where it'll give you the description of the ride and what it's like and if there's any height requirements. So make sure everybody in your party does meet whatever requirements it does have on that page, and then go ahead and hit continue at the bottom. And once you've done that, you'll get a screen that looks like this, and then you will have your lightning lane reserved for you. Just hit continue at the bottom and it'll take you back to the home page. Now in your home page right here is where you will find all the lanes that you have, all the lightning lanes that you have reserved, so you can see them there. And when it's time to redeem them, a little button will pop up that says redeem. Now, if it's not quite your time to redeem, but you want to cancel or modify your lightning lane reservations, just go ahead and click on that section where it says the ride and your return time, and it'll give you the option to modify or cancel. Once you've done that, at the top, you'll see that you could change the time of your return. So you can change it to a time that's more convenient for you, or you can change it to a different attraction within the same park. Now, if you're watching this and you want to know all the rides that are included for Genie Plus, you can go ahead and check the caption below. I have everything listed below for the ones that are included with Genie Plus, as well as the individual lightning lanes. So then once you've redeemed your lightning lane and you're in line for the ride, what I like to do is go ahead and redeem my next lightning lane so I can use as many as possible. So as soon as you redeem one, you can make another reservation. Okay, so that is the how-to of Genie Plus, how to use it, how to book your lightning lanes. My next video, which you're gonna see on the screen right now, you're gonna wanna watch that because that is filled with my tips, tricks, and hacks that you need to know to maximize your time with Genie Plus. So go check that out and I'll see you over in that video.